Hi, my name is Paul Rodgers. I'm a sales professional here at Hgreg Lux, and I'm happy to help you with all of your automotive needs. When you walk through the doors of Hgreg Lux, you'll be surprised by all the beautiful and exclusive vehicles that we have here. We carry cars like Ferraris, McLarens, Lamborghinis, Rolls Royces, and Bentley. So we have basically everything for everyone. With over 400 cars, all exclusive, all first-class A1 cars. At Hgreg Lux, you'll find full transparency. Beginning with our website, all our cars are listed, and with every listing, you get a free Carfax. All our listings have high-quality video that walks around and shows you all the aspects of the vehicle. From there, you can tell what condition the car is in and the quality of the car. We provide efficient nationwide shipping and make it easy to have your car delivered to your door. So after you buy a car with me, you can rest assured that I'll be there for you. I'll be there to answer questions, help you with any issues that you might have, and generally be your automotive friend. Again, my name is Paul Rodgers. My friends call me Paulie, and I'm looking forward to help you find your dream car.